There is no question that society is moving towards renewable and low-carbon alternatives. At the same time, the global population is expected to exceed 8 billion people by 2025. The standard of living is rising throughout the world, and as emerging economies evolve, their need for inexpensive, reliable energy continues to grow. Whether you are an upstream producer or a fully integrated company, the industry must embrace dramatic business transformation, driven by the adaptation of technical, cultural, and organizational change in order to deliver safe, reliable, and sustainable energy products and services. The transition is already underway, though, throughout the entire value chain. The speed, scope, and impact of the fourth industrial revolution dwarfs that of its predecessors, as processing power, access to knowledge is accelerating innovation and empowering customers. The path forward requires finding a balance between planning for an uncertain future and optimizing for today's opportunities. The world is facing huge social and economic environmental changes that promise to reshape the landscape. Simultaneously, access to resources and capital is no longer enough to sustain competitive advantage in the digital economy. We're seeing several trends in the oil and gas industry customer base. The paradigm-shifting effect of renewable energy and the ongoing digitalization of the typical business processes force the redefinition of the traditional oil and gas business models on a global scale. Digital energy companies want market standard solutions for the majority of their business processes that typically do not differentiate the company from the competition, allowing them to focus their resources and innovate on the 20% that can differentiate and assist them in delivering on their corporate strategies. Digital energy companies must innovate and are implementing new business models to leverage suppliers and customers to create seamless end-to-end processes. Their focus is on leaner operations, safety, and value creation for the ultimate customer. For example, Total is now the second largest provider in the world of solar and has complemented it with battery storage via a company they bought called Saft. And Shell recently announced it wants to be the largest energy provider in the world. And part of their strategy is to add battery charging capabilities to the retail stations. These new business models are only possible once they have a foundation to innovate. These companies are focusing on being lean to survive with low commodity prices for extended periods of time. This requires them to eliminate any waste and to manage exceptions. Their focus is on core skills and extensively outsourcing commodity tasks. They want to scale and must scale without sacrificing efficiencies and agility. To do this, companies are leveraging comprehensive real-time planning and forecasting and modeling across their enterprise. They are creating scalable processes and systems through automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and connected ecosystems. They're ensuring that their partners can scale as they build agility into their company. The intelligent enterprise is more than automated business. It is a vision for how SAP sees the future of our customers, the future of work for our customers' employees, and the future of experience for our customers' customers. First and foremost, companies need to focus their workforce on higher value outcomes. By relying on intelligent technologies across the suite, customers can transform into event-driven businesses, automate their day-to-day business processes, allowing them to interact with their customers, suppliers, and employees. They also need intelligent technology so they can leverage their data to detect patterns, predict outcomes, and suggest actions. Finally, they need a digital platform that facilitates the collection and orchestration of data, as well as the integration and extension of processes within the intelligent suite. We are confident that SAP is uniquely positioned to execute on this vision for our customers. A great example of this is a co-development work we did with Shell Aviation called SkyPad. SkyPad connects fueling trucks and crews with the airlines to ensure that fast, efficient, and accurate fueling for their airline customers. So how can you transform into the intelligent enterprise? What we see is that many of our customers in the oil and gas industry are focusing on 4 strategic priorities. Think about these as things that will come out of a board offsite as 3 to 5 year visions, strategic projects across the company. For example, let's look at the extend beyond the barrel. With the advent of the digital economy and the deregulation of energy markets, consumers are more empowered than ever and are demanding simplicity and service quality. Oil and gas companies such as Total, Shell, Equinor are acquiring solar companies, utilities, and alternative fuels. Other companies such as ADNOC and Booster are providing customer-centric services such as delivering gasoline to your car while you're at work. In summary, I'd like to leave you with these 3 takeaways. Our vision for the oil and gas industry is about integrated experience and operations across the enterprise, leveraging the intelligent technologies to improve operations, safety, and to create new ways of doing business. Number 2, the SAP oil and gas strategy is bringing to bear the oil and gas specific processes and market standards as defined by the industry to assist with the customer's need to support their strategic priorities. And finally, over 75 oil and gas customers have already made the move to the intelligent enterprise, and 300 are making the journey now. We are committed to helping you on your journey to the intelligent enterprise. Thank you.